हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सफलता बैच क्लास 51। आज हमारी 51st क्लास है। इससे पहले की सारी क्लासेस आप प्लेलिस्ट से ज़रूर ले लीजिए। आपका एग्ज़ाम जो है वो काफ़ी जल्दी होने वाला है, तो आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करिए। आज हम लोग एक जनरल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं। जनरल नहीं है, लीगल ही है, पर जनरल भी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स हैं, जैसे मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग से रिलेटेड वर्ड्स हैं, तो इनको आप अच्छे से लिखिए। स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट रेडी। 3, 2, 1, स्टार्ट। Money laundering refers to converting illegal earned money into legitimate money. The government does not get any tax on the money because there is no accounting of the black money. So, money laundering is a way to hide the illegally acquired money. In the method of money laundering, money is invested in such a way that even the investigating agencies can't trace the main source of wealth. So, the black money invested into capital markets or other ventures returns back to the real money holder as the legitimate money. Para. The first step in this process is the investment of black money in the market. The launderer deposits the illegal money through different agents and banks in the form of cash by having a formal or informal agreement. In this process, the launderer hides his real income by making foul play. The launderer deposits funds to investment instruments such as bonds, stocks, and travelers' checks or in their bank accounts abroad. This account is often opened in banks of those countries which do not reveal the details of their account holders. So, in this process, the ownership and source of money is disguised. The final stage at which the laundered property is reintroduced into the legitimate economy or returning the money back into the financial world as legal money. There can be several ways to do money laundering, but the most popular is the establishment of the fake companies, which is also known as the shell companies. Shell companies act like a real company, but in reality, this company does not exist in the real world and no production take place in such companies. Actually, these shell companies exist only on paper, not in the real world. Para. The PMLA Amendment Act 2012 has put concealment of funds, acquisition of possession, use of proceeds of crime, and possession of money in criminal list. It is worth mentioning here that RBI, SEBI, and Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority have been brought out under the purview of PMLA 2002. Hence, the provisions of this Act shall apply to all financial institutions, banks, mutual funds, insurance companies, and their financial intermediaries. Para. The latest amendment to PMLA Act 2002 came into effect in 2019 as part of the Finance Act 2019. The primary amendment is the change in the definition of proceeds of crime under the PMLA Act 2002. Section 3 of the PMLA Act 2002 contains provisions related to the offense of money laundering. To broaden the scope, an explanation was added to Section 3 as a part of the amendment and was put to immediate effect. A person shall be guilty of the offense of money laundering if such person is found to have directly or indirectly attempted to indulge or knowingly assisted or knowingly is a party or is actually involved in one or more of the following processes or activities connected with proceeds of crime. Para. The process or activity connected with proceeds of crime is a continuing activity and continues till such time a person is directly or indirectly enjoying the proceeds of crime by its concealment or possession or acquisition or use or projecting it as unattained property or claiming it as untainted property in any manner whatsoever. Stop. ये हमने एक मैटर लिखा है, अब आप इसको ट्रांसक्राइब करिए। ये एक तरह से जो PMLA का अमेंडमेंट एक्ट आया है उसके ऊपर है, तो लेटेस्ट में ही ये हुआ है, तो आपको इसको अच्छे से लिखना चाहिए। इस टाइप के मैटर दिल्ली के हाई कोर्ट के अंदर, दिल्ली के डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट के अंदर आने के चांसेस रहते हैं। आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड होती है। आपको कोई भी डाउट हो या क्वेरी हो तो आप उसको कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हो, और टेलीग्राम चैनल को अगर अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो टेलीग्राम चैनल को भी ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको उसका लिंक मिल जाएगा। सब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय।